Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul, mostly not, it is all jewelry products which I purchased from Aldo and few other brands. So without wasting time, let's get started. Whenever there is a sale in Aldo or any store which carries good jewelry, I usually purchase it because I don't want to purchase the products when they are in actual size. When they are on sale, you get the same products when it is on sale, so it is better to wait for the sale rather than buying the products in full price. So from online website from Namshi, I purchased this neck piece which is from New Look. It is a two tier necklace. When I got it in mail, this part was broken, so I just stuck it back with, I think, Fevikwik or Fevibond. So this is the necklace. Then I got few stickers. Then I purchased this earring. This is nice. This is very cheap, but it is okay to use in videos. This is really nice. This is from the brand Ginger. It has a buckle and they have tassels. I don't have any copper shade, so I purchased this. Then I have this New Look hoops. I don't have a lot of silver jewelry, so I purchased this one. This has nice dangly rhinestones hanging to it, so this is really nice. This was when they were on sale, it was for around 15, 20, 25 dirhams. That is why I purchased it. Then I have this New Look earrings. They are more of a light blue shade, but they are more of a milky tone blue shade, so it is really nice and the quality is really nice. I love the New Look earrings. They are nice, and I think most of it is from New Look. Then I have this earring. They have 3 colors in this. It is really nice. Then I got these earrings. I don't know from which brand it is, but it is a nice creamish color with tassels, and it is really nice. It is very light, so that's good. Then I got this earring. I really don't like it. Online it was looking really nice. This is from the brand Pieces. This is made up of glass, and if accidentally it falls, it is going to break, and it is not good quality. This color has some film on it. If you scratch it, it comes out, so I really don't like it and I don't recommend this. And I have this earring from Forever 21. This is also pretty. It is very light and it is royal blue color. So that's all what I purchased from Namshi, from online website. And from the store, I have a lot of products from Aldo. I mean a lot of products. First we'll go with the rings. First I have one ring from H&M. Yes, I have these rings from H&M. It was for it was for 69 dirhams. These are really nice, if you can see. They have golden colors and they have stones in it. It is really nice. Then going with rings, I have these rings from Aldo. They have nice they're not actually silver. They are more of oxidized. They are more of oxidized look, and it is really nice. I really loved it. So this is the ring from Aldo. Then I have one more ring. This is really nice. It is really heavy. You can wear this in your index finger. It is really nice. Got it in some sale. It was for 20 dirhams. 20 dirhams for this ring. Really nice. Then I got this from H&M and I got it for 5 dirhams. This is the ring. It has silverish pearls in it. Really nice, really bulky, which is really good. Then I have these rings from Aldo again. They have more of a copperish look, but they look really nice and I really love the patterns. You know, these kind of rings gives more of a grungy look. I really like that. Then I have more rings from Aldo. These are also oxidized material. They have black and silver both in it. This one, I really love this one. It is huge and it looks really nice. Then I have these rings, which are more of finger rings. All the rings are finger rings, but which they are much smaller and you can use it, wear it like this. So these are really nice, and this was for I think 35 and I got it for 19 dirhams. Then going with earrings, I have this earring set. I've got piercings, so now it is easy for me to wear. They have a lot of varieties. This was for 59 dirhams and I got it for 41 dirhams, so it is really nice. Then from Forever 21 I have this hoop set. It is huge, so it will look really nice. They have 3 patterns. Then I have one more hoop set, and this is from Aldo. All the 3 sizes are same, but all the 3, I hope you can see it, they have different textures. Even the ones from Forever 21, they have different textures, so that's nice. Then I have one more hoop from Aldo. This was for 59 dirhams, but I got it for 29 dirhams. I think this is a very muted rosy rose gold shade, so this is really nice. Then I just have 2 more earrings from Aldo and then we are done. I was eyeing this from a very long time. So this is the earring. It has really nice chain details and it is, I mean, it looks really nice and it is heavy. This was for 59 dirhams and I got it for 34 dirhams. I don't think I will be able to link the details of this below because I don't think I will get any links for it. So this is the earring. Then I have this earring. This was for 59 dirhams and I also got this for 29. I think they had 3 shades or 2. There was one green and black. I don't remember. I think there was only one green, dark green, but I purchased this blue one. It is really nice. And I think the earring, not earrings, the rings that I'm wearing now, these are also from H&M, I think. Yeah, they are from H&M, and the tops that I'm wearing now, they are also from Aldo. So guys, if you are interested, if you want to know how I created this look, there will be a tutorial on Instagram, so you can check it out there. And also guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And please guys, like and share my video, and also you can comment whatever kind of videos you want to see on my channel. And maybe from next week I may upload 5 days a week and there will be much more content. So guys, I am looking forward to achieve 1000 subscribers for now, so that I can do a giveaway. Guys, please share it with your friends, and also you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. So guys, until next time, bye.